In my 9 years of business as the Director of designbyJagz Limited, I've always committed myself to offering clients high quality work, speed of turnaround and professionalism all the way through from start to finish, no matter how large or small the design project may be. It's also in light of my own such work ethics that I can always clearly see when another company and individual chooses to operate with the same high standards and values in their own business and can then proudly be referred to others. So today I write this testimonial for you with great pride in order to say thank you for taking such time and consideration when it came to my request a few weeks ago. Over many years of driving into my office car park, I had been faced with this awful sight of graffiti on our main entrance wall that had never been given the time to be removed in order to make the building look more appealing to the eye. And yet after having a very informative conversation with you about the services that Dublcheck Cleaning offer, I was only more than happy to offer the work to you, as your professional manner was a pleasure to deal with directly and your quote was very competitive. Having requested a quote from you one afternoon and then asked for you to schedule me in, I was amazed to see that without me knowing, you had already been and finished the job by 12 p.m. the following day, before I'd even returned to the office from a meeting, and had completed it to the best finish I could have imagined, also sending me a completion photo as soon as you were done. I'm happy to say it is now a pleasure to drive into work every morning, and your work was the greatest start we could have for us to follow on from with our current entire building decoration and revamp. It is therefore with great pleasure that I would be more than happy to recommend yourself, Alan Bailey, an outstanding representative of Dublcheck's cleanings team, to all of my family members, friends, colleagues and clients who require professional and high quality cleaning services for their business. I'm happy to say I've already referred you to a client of mine since this project was completed, purely on the basis of the quality I received from you with such a small project. I would therefore like to wish you every success for the future with your business, and I look forward to working with you again.
Well done,